How to fix color, cast, and white balance issue with Aftershoot AI. Once you open the Aftershoot AI, go inside the album in which you have all your images. Once you're inside the album, just click on the option retouch at the top. Now from here, you get all this option. Now you have to play around with it. So you have the face enhancement, eye enhancement, and all this stuff. You can go to patch as well and remove things from patch, or you can go to background to remove the background, subject and stuff. Inside here you can choose if you want your face to be more bright or if you want it to be less bright, smooth and everything. You can retouch it from over here, and you can just go through all these images just like this from the bottom. You can select the image and choose the different thing just like this. Now for batch edit, make sure you click on sync 6 photos. Once you do that, all the 6 photo will be synced, and whatever thing which you just applied, it's going to be applied to all the images. All right, just like this, you guys can see. You can make any changes over here and it's going to be applied to the image which is currently selected. But if you click on sync, it's going to apply all this to all the remaining photos as well. So that's how it works. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.